What the fuck?
You're not worth it. Burn in hell.
Connor, you have to walk?
Oh.
What
the fuck is happening? What?
I couldn't have him.
Okay. You doing it? You freaking out?
I got him, I got him.
Last guy's lit 76. He's gonna be Mexico.
Man, you did not care about that at all.
I have two. Shoot him!
Andrew, that was the scariest moment of my entire life.
Bomb outside walkers.
These guys aren't sweating that hard, so I kinda wanna run shotgun Twitch again.
Did you shoot a person with your shotgun?
Whenever you
Ran out of library.
Oh
yeah.
man.
Alright, yeah, I'm bummed about your Xbox. Max, there's a guy!
Fusion initiated. Protect the diffuser.
Try to figure out if he's tricking you.
I already know he threw it. I heard it like. I can hear it like. Yeah, there it is.
Oh, did I go on the wrong side
Oh,
of the
man.
map? Oh,
That's okay. I
I'm
want
on the
here.
wrong.
Try,
I'm
fake
on the
noise again.
wrong side of the map.
I'm known to hear it.
Oh, Mozzie is just on the other side of the map for some
Damn.
odd reason.
Huh.
Alright.